Hello guys, welcome back. If you're running an online business or managing digital files regularly, this is going to be really useful. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer files from Mega over to Google Drive. If you've been trying to move your big files or you just want to back things up in a safer place, like product assets, invoices, design files, or store documentation, this full 2026 method will walk you through it step by step. Yeah, super easy, even if you're not very technical. So first things first, go ahead and sign into your Mega account with your email and password. Give it a second to load because Mega usually takes a moment if your storage is almost full, especially when you have lots of large files. Once you're in, find the files or folders you want to move. You can click them one by one or, hold the Shift key to select multiple items. This is helpful if you're moving entire project folders instead of individual files. Now what you want to do is download those files to your computer. Click the three-dot menu and choose Download Standard. If the file is huge, it might take a while. Just let it finish. During this time, try not to close the browser so the download doesn't stop. While the download is running, open a new tab and head over to Google Drive. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account because people mix that up all the time, especially if you have separate accounts for personal use and your Shopify business. After your files finish downloading, drag them straight into Google Drive, or if you prefer, click the New button and choose File Upload or Folder Upload. Google Drive will start uploading right away, and you'll see the little progress window in the corner. Larger files may take longer depending on your internet speed, so just let it do its thing. When the upload is done, double-check that everything is there. Open a couple of files just to make sure nothing got corrupted on the way. Happens rarely, but still. This step can save you from headaches later if the files are important. And quick heads up, if you don't want to download anything manually, there are cloud-to-cloud tools like MultCloud or Cloudsphere. They basically move stuff automatically, which can be a big time saver, but the free version has limits. Just something to keep in mind if you're moving a lot of data. And that's pretty much all you need to transfer files from Mega to Google Drive. It's a simple process, but once everything is in Google Drive, it's much easier to organize, share with your team, and access from anywhere. And that wraps it up for this guide. Hopefully this made transferring files from Mega to Google Drive clear and stress-free for you. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people. For more simple, practical tutorials to help you manage your files and run your online business more smoothly, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.